Hi everyone, it's me, Justin R. Vargas of Grade 3 Platinum. Here is some science experiment that will have you learning about volume and density in a gradually hand-on way. First, measure 1 cup of water and pour the water into the blue drinking glass. Second, measure 1 cup of vinegar and add into the clear drinking glass with the water. Third step, add 3 to 6 drops of coloring to the water and vinegar mixture. Fourth, add some cooked macaroni to the glass. How much cooked macaroni? It's up to you. Fifth step, drop 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the glass. Be ready. Adding the baking soda into the mixture might get a little messy. Watch closely and check out all those dancing macaroni. It's amazing, right? Add more baking soda to the glass and start the dance party again. I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for watching.